What's going on? Welcome back to Charlie's AI Release Communication. My name is Iggy Odigizua. I'm the founder and CEO of CharlieAI.io. February is here and we are bringing you something completely new, plus some powerful upgrades that make Charlie smarter, more mobile, and better at long-term engagement. Now, there are 5 major releases that fit better and engage longer and give you even more control anywhere and everywhere. So without further ado, let's dive on in. The first upgrade is really our groundbreaking, and I'm so excited about this. This is Buyer IQ for DMs. Now, if you're not inside of my world and you're not using Charlie, you're just hearing about Buyer IQ. What we've unlocked is a whole new layer of lead intelligence, instant financial qualification, and here's how it works. Charlie now conducts an instant soft pull of a lead to build its lead credit profile, providing a real-time, accurate financial assessment with zero impact on their credit score. This happens automatically right before Charlie books a lead onto your sales team's calendar, adding a super crucial filtering layer. This impact allows you to validate the lead quality before scheduling, new fields of the lead's financial data right inside your Charlie dashboard, and your team only talks to real qualified buyers with high intent, meaning they go through your entire qualification process. Charlie confirms that they're interested in scheduling a call, and before it locks in their appointment on your team's calendar, it actually validates that they can afford it. So this takes lead qualification to a whole new stratosphere, unlike anything else on the market. Now, when you log in, this is what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to share my screen so you can see the new dashboard that we are rolling out with Buyer IQ. So when you log in, you can see the reports that have been pulled. You can see the pass rate. You can see the amount of leads that have been found to qualify. You can see the average credit score, average available funds on their credit cards, average income, and all the details that you need on the different leads. Now, to get this thing to work, you have to go through our step. So Buyer IQ is a premium feature that you'll need to pay for separately. So you just need to make sure you enable it. You go through all the different steps to ensure that Charlie has the compliant information that it needs before it can generate and run a soft pull. So that's Buyer IQ. Next up, we've got everything that we want, which is more have hand-on control. That's why we worked with a mobile-first lead management. So the leads tab is now, you can fully navigate it on mobile browser for Android and iOS. So what's new is the controls buttons are responsive with clean drop-down menus, zero layer layout issues, no overlapping elements or hidden buttons, view lead details, and take action instantly from anywhere. So why this matters is manage operations on the go, respond to leads from your phone. You can perform quick interventions without opening your laptop, complete visibility and control in your pocket. So this allows you to take your entire Charlie operations and make it mobile optimized. So when you're logging in, you're going to see the new mobile layout. Up next, we have got long-term engagement automation. Now, this is where things get really, really interesting. We built 3 groundbreaking features that keep lead warm without overwhelming them. So the perfect balance between being persistent and respectful, I call it being tastefully aggressive. So the first of this is dynamic long-term hunts. This is the one that excites us a lot because after you predefine hunts and are exhausted, Charlie automatically starts generating dynamic, contextually relevant follow-ups for the leads, and it schedules this every 4 to 10 days. So each message is conversational, contextually appropriate, and logged with full explanation. All you have to do is just activate it with a single toggle. The way that you do that, you'll log into your Charlie account. Once you're inside of your Charlie account, you'll go to the Hunts tab, and then you'll see long-term hunts. You just turn that on, and you are good to go. And then Charlie will generate dynamic hunts. So you can see Once your scripted hunts are exhausted, then Charlie will essentially start using that information to generate dynamic long-term hunts that are relevant to your lead. Next up, we've got the second layer to ensuring that leads are getting everything that they need at the right time is our delayed booking intent. When the lead's availability falls outside your booking calendar window, Charlie intelligently updates the booking intent to delayed and schedules an automatic follow-up at the right time. So full transparency, every decision is logged within Charlie. So what this allows you to do, what's going to be coming next and very soon, is the Slack notification. So when the lead wants to book a call at a time that you don't have available, Charlie will notify your sales team and let them know, hey, you have a high intent lead who's qualified and who's interested in scheduling your call. And then somebody from your sales team or you can essentially call that lead and book them in at a time that makes sense. If nobody reaches out to that lead, Charlie will follow up with the lead as soon as the slot that they want becomes available and then offer them additional slots around the same time that they requested initially. So let's say the lead wants to book a time that's just outside of the window and you don't have that slot available. What'll happen is, hey, this lead is like, I'm available after 3 weeks. Charlie schedules a follow-up for them for like 21 days. And then he's like, hey, I wanted to circle back after that time frame is expanded. Our booking calendar is open up and we have some slots available now. Are you ready to book a call? Right. So you can see if the person's like, I'm not free for another couple weeks, Charlie is intelligent enough to understand that situation and handle it in the most contextually appropriate way. And then be able to notify your team eventually to just let you know, hey, this lead wants to book a call at a time that is not available on the calendar. And then when you log into the Charlie dashboard, you can filter your leads based on the ones that have the delayed intent status. Third improvement is our smart talk later logic. So when Charlie says, when the lead says not for a few weeks or busy for the rest of the month, Charlie now stops just repeating scheduling prompts immediately. Charlie schedules a talk later follow-up based on the timeline that the lead presented. And then he'll pause all of his hunts until that scheduled message is sent to re-engage the lead at a time that is relevant for them. So the impact is no more annoying follow-ups when they're genuinely unavailable, right? Reconnect exactly when they're ready and automate long-term nurture without manual tracking. So this is intelligent persistent that actually works. So this allows you to essentially not have to keep track of all the different times that the leads wants or when they're available. Charlie just does it automatically. And then finally, 2 conversation features that unlock